welcome back to my channel. I know I look like different, like just very glam up, and that's because I will be doing a transformation look today. I have just finished watching Bling Empire and I absolutely adore that TV series. Like, I didn't expect to actually like it that much, but me and my friends, we pretty much binge watch all the episodes and finish it about like 2:30 in the morning. Like, that's how obsessed we were. I woke up the next morning, I was like, you know what? I want to achieve the Kimberly look, okay? Like, she looks so pretty. I feel like she's like the Asian version of Kylie Jenner. Let me know what you guys think down below as well. But I really want to do her look because I felt like it was very achievable. She has this very beautiful smoky look all the time with like a light brown contact lens, which is what I'm currently wearing too, which I'll put in the description box below for you guys. But she's just so sexy, but at the same time she's really down to earth. Like, I like her vibe, you know, like I like her personality. I feel like she's probably my favorite character from Bling Empire. Let me know who is your favorite character as well if you guys have watched it. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I transform into this, just stay tuned and keep on watching. I have already done the base makeup because I feel like this is a repetition on my videos lately. I'll put all the base products in the description box below as well, along with eyebrow pencil I've used as well for the brows. The first thing I'm going to do is actually grab a tape. What I'm going to do is actually tape the side of my eyes to give more of that V-shaped angle look once I create this look, because I feel like with Kim it has a lot of that cat eye look on Bling Empire. And I'm just pretty much just lining this under my lash line area. And I think I just realized doing this I shouldn't have done my base makeup, but if you guys can do the base makeup at the end, it will be great. But it's alright, I will just fix this later. I'm going to quickly prime my eyes, and I'm using the Urban Decay primer potion, and I'm just applying with my fingers. I'm going to use Juvia's palette, and this is the Nubian by Juvia's, and I like this one because it has all this really nice brown smoky look. I feel like with Kim's look, she always go for either like brown or golden or champagne gold type of vibe. The first thing I'm going to do is apply a transition shade, and I'm just using a fluffy brush for this, applying this all over the crease area. I'm also going to drag this color all the way above my crease line because Kim's makeup look, her eyeshadow actually goes over her crease actually quite a bit. So I want that to be really obvious on the eye as well. I'm using another fluffy brush, and I'm just going to add a bit more dimension on the outer part of the eyes, and just focusing on just outer towards the like, leaving like maybe just a bit of a gap here at the front, but just focusing at the end, but also the crease, if that makes sense, and then just window wiping motion. We're going to focus on the lid area, and I'm just slowly dabbing this reddish brown tone shade on the lid area. I want to layer this color up to deepen up the lid area, and then just slowly lifting this up on the crease area as well. Another darker color, and this one same thing as well, just layering it on top. As you can see, this one is way more darker, but this is the key to Kim's look because her lid space area is actually pretty dark at most of the makeup. So I'm just dabbing this back and forth. I want the V shape to be much more darker as well and more obvious. I'm going to use a pencil brush and just focusing this particular shade, the darkest in the palette, and just creating like a V shape going inwards to the crease area as well, just to darken up this look a little bit more. Before I do the eyeliner, I just want to quickly set my eyelashes, and I'm using this iconic one from House of Lashes. Kim uses a lot of wispy one, but really thick and also very lengthening on the inner part of the lashes, but this one also wings out, which is what she tends to use as well. So I feel like this will be the perfect fit. Before I take the tape off, I'm going to actually line my eyes following the tape as well. So I'm just going to start from the corner and then go all the way. Voila. Oh my god, that looks amazing. I'm gonna actually give myself a little tick at the end because Kim doesn't have a really sharp wing. She has a little tick, which I find really cute. lashes are on now, and I've also tucked line and put mascara on for the top lashes. We're gonna focus on the lower lash line and just tidy up a little bit. Taking like a flat brush, I'm just connecting the eyeshadow color to the liner just so that everything just blends out really nicely. Taking a pencil brush, I'm just layering on the bottom as well. Just be slowly and gentle because you don't want this to be too dark, but just making sure that it just connects to the top. Now I'm going to line the lower lash line with a brown eyeliner, and this one I think has been discontinued, but you can use any brown eyeliner that you want. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on the lower lash line as well, just to show a bit of my lashes down at the bottom. Sometimes Kim also have some shimmer on the inner part of the eyes, so I'm going to put a little bit of this as well, just to brighten up this look a little bit. Eye look is complete, and now I'm pretty much just gonna bronze up my face, and I'm using this Gucci Golden Glow bronzer. I've had this for a while actually, and I've actually never touched this, so I feel like this is the perfect timing to use this because it's high-end, it's expensive, and it's Bling Empire, so I'm just gonna bronze my face up with this and just pretty much give me like a sun-kissed tan look on the face. Doesn't matter if it's a bit dark, but oof, that looks so good. I also don't think Kim uses a lot of blushes, so I'm going to use this Peripera Pure Blush Sunshine Cheek and Dusky Rose and just apply a little bit on the cheek area. But what Kim uses is highlighter, and I'm using this beautiful gold shade by Cleo, and this is the Prism Air Highlighter in the shade Gold Sheer. She uses a lot of this on the cheekbone area and especially down the nose bridge. So I'm gonna do the high cheek area first and just pretty much go crazy with this highlighter. It's so reflective and like it's just, oh, okay, maybe that's a bit too much. Using the pointy side and just going down the nose area. I don't have the sharpest nose, so hopefully this doesn't reflect that. Last step is the lips, and she either used like a nudie brown shade or like a really nice pink mauve. I'm going to lean towards like a nudie one, so the first thing I'm going to do is line my lips, and I'm gonna line with something darker. I'm using the MAC Spice lip liner and just apply this on my lips. I'm gonna try and make it as full as I can as well, so yeah. Oh my god, it feels so weird, but it's okay. I think this is the fullest I can go because I feel so ugh, but it's alright. And then going on top, I'm going to use this Tom Ford lipstick, and this is in the shade number 6 Revolve Around Me, which is a beautiful nudie shade. I'm just applying this all over the lips. This is the final look. I did up my hair a little bit, put hoop earrings on, try and put like a V-shaped top. I don't have much revealing stuff. Even did like her tattoo, love is everything here as well on my arm. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know who is your favorite character down below as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.